Hello everyone! In this video, we'll discuss the average salary of a nurse in Israel. Nurses in Israel earn an average annual gross salary of $55,000. This means their monthly gross salary is about $4,580. After taxes, the annual salary for a nurse in Israel is approximately $46,130, which breaks down to about $3,845 per month. Working conditions and benefits can also influence a nurse's overall compensation. Salaries can vary significantly by region. For example, nurses working in Tel Aviv or other major cities might earn 5 to 10% more than those in more rural areas due to higher living costs and demand. Experience plays a big role in a nurse's earning potential. An entry-level nurse might start at around $1,300–$400 per month, while a highly experienced nurse with many years on the job could earn up to $5,000 per month. Furthermore, a nurse with a Bachelor of Science in Nursing degree can typically expect to earn an additional $200 to $300 per month compared to those without a university degree. Please like this video and share your salary in the comments if you work as a nurse in Israel. Thank you for watching.